want to know about the crypto mobile app for making money? Above all, they are all free. Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the best crypto app to make money. Number one is Binance. Binance is trusted by 260 million investors worldwide. The platform offers high security. It is known for spot trading, derivative trading, peer-to-peer trading, which is popularly known as P2P trading, and investors and their income are safe because the platform detects unusual link easily and prevents it from hacking or committing any criminal activity. Before I continue, do not forget to like this video, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. So the number two is Bybit. Bybit has high liquidation retention, instant trading execution and high security. It is available in 160 countries. Unfortunately, Bybit was hacked recently, though it has been resolved. The number three is MetaMask. It was launched in 2016, and when it comes to blockchain, MetaMask is white exchange. It can be used to store crypto like BNB, Solana, etc. Number four is Phantom. It has a leading wallet for Solana. It was launched in 2021 with over 50 million users currently. In this platform, you can send, receive, deposit, and convert crypto to other kind of. Number five is Bitgate. It is a platform that trades with 100 million users. It is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It is a good platform that is available in most countries, but not in US, UK, Canada, or sanctioned countries. Bitgate offers spot trading, future trading, copying trading, P2P trading, not popularly known as P2P trading, saving, crypto loan. Number six is CoinGecko. It is an exchange that provides a fundamental analysis of the digital currency markets in addition to tracking price, volume, and market capitalization. CoinGecko tracks community growth, open source code development, major events, and on-chain metric. So these are the first 6 crypto mobile apps for making money. This does not mean that we don't have other crypto mobile app that you can make use of it to make money. But with this, I hope you are being guided in order not to get misled on how to make money with your crypto. So if you need any other solution or you want any question related to this video or any of the apps in this video, do not forget to ask your question in the comment section. If this video was helpful, do not to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.